Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones. On my left, we have the holy grail of mini drones, the Holystone HS430. And on my right, the mighty mini wonder, the TOMZON A23. We're about to find out which one of these flying gadgets is worth your hard-earned cash. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the price. Holystone HS430 comes in at a solid $77. Meanwhile, TOMZON A23 is sitting pretty at just $39. So if you're ballin' on a budget, TOMZON already has a leg up. That's like choosing between a steak dinner and a Happy Meal. Both are satisfying, but one is just way easier on your wallet. Next, let's dive into the camera quality. The Holystone HS430 boasts a 1080p Wi-Fi camera, letting you capture those Instagram-worthy shots with smooth FPV transmission. Meanwhile, the TOMZON A23, well, it doesn't have a camera, so it's like trying to take a selfie with a potato. If capturing stunning aerial footage is your jam, Holystone is the clear winner. Now, let's talk flight time. Holystone gives you nearly half an hour of fly time with its two modular LiPo batteries. TOMZON A23 offers 18 minutes of flight time with its two modular batteries. So if you're planning on having extended aerial adventures, you might want to go with the HS430. But hey, if you just need a quick flyby, TOMZON will still keep you entertained. Both drones are packed with fun features. But let's break it down. Holystone comes with high-speed rotation, circle fly, trajectory flight, voice control, gesture control, and even throw to go. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. TOMZON A23, on the other hand, offers 3D flips, high-speed auto-rotation, and circle fly. Not bad for a mini drone, but it's like bringing a knife to a Swiss Army knife fight. Safety first, folks! Holystone has overvoltage protection and a remote control warning for low battery. TOMZON A23 boasts quality tough materials and propeller guards. Both are built to survive your inevitable crash landings, but TOMZON's double propeller protection gives it the edge. It's like having airbags in your drone. Finally, ease of use. Holystone offers headless mode, emergency stop, and a 3-speed switch. Throw it in the air, and it hovers like magic. TOMZON A23 is also user-friendly with one-key takeoff and throw to go, making it perfect for kids and beginners. Both are easy to fly, but Holystone's features make it feel like a luxury ride compared to TOMZON's go-kart. Online reviews paint a pretty clear picture of what you can expect from each of these drones. Reviewers love the Holystone HS430 for its camera quality, power, and array of features, though some mention it can be a bit loud. On the other hand, the TOMZON A23 is praised for its affordability, durability, and ease of use, making it a hit among kids and beginners. So there you have it, smart shoppers. Both the Holystone HS430 and TOMZON A23 bring something to the table. If you're looking for a feature-packed, camera-equipped mini drone and don't mind spending a bit more, Holystone is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and just want a fun, durable drone to zip around, TOMZON A23 is a steal. Either way, you're in for a good time. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.